Welcome to our lesson on balancing chemical equations, using the reaction between phosphorus and chlorine to create phosphorus pentachloride. As an example, chemical reactions need to be balanced to comply with the law of conservation of mass, which ensures that the number of atoms of each element in the reactants equals the number of atoms in the products. Let's start by writing the unbalanced chemical equation P4 Cl2 yields PCl5. The first step in balancing a chemical equation is to count the number of atoms for each element on both sides of the equation. Let's balance the number of phosphorus P atoms first. Currently, there are 4 phosphorus atoms on the reactant side, and only 1 on the product side. We can balance phosphorus by placing a coefficient of 4 in front of PCl5 on the product side. Now let's balance the chlorine Cl atoms. We have 2 chlorine atoms in Cl2 on the reactant side and 20 chlorine atoms on the product side because of the coefficient 4. We can balance chlorine by placing a coefficient of 10 in front of Cl2. With equal numbers of each type of atom on either side, the equation is now fully balanced. Balancing equations involves adjusting coefficients to get equal numbers of each type of atom on both sides of the equation. You now have the skills to balance equations which represent chemical reactions for more complicated reactions involving numerous elements.